So this is my mum's car and it's absolutely battered. She's had it for 10 years. So I said to her, I'll buy her a new car and help her out a little bit. And the problem was every single time I was going through cars, she basically described this car. So she wanted this car. So what I did is I bought her the sports version of it, and it only cost me like 350 quid. Not bad at all. So I'm kind of happy that she actually likes old cars like myself, because they don't actually cost that much money. It's only done 70,000 miles, and what I've decided to do is make it look proper nice for her. So I'm going to spray all of these black bits here, actually black, using this U-pole. Don't know if any of you guys have used this before, but basically I'm going to make this car look brand spanking new again by spraying all of these bits here. And also the paintwork's not perfect, so I've got some buffer for it, and I've got a dent remover as well, so I can pull out some of the dents. There's a dent here and there's like a dent here as well that I'm going to sort out. And like, is it really worth it on a 20-year-old car doing all this stuff? Well, yeah, it is, because I like tinkering on cars and I'm still waiting on parts for this. So if I can't do anything like this, I might as well sort my mum out. So I'll show you what it's going to look like afterwards. I've just taped it all up now, and I've got to get some newspaper so I don't get any of that spray on the paint, and hopefully I'll get this car looking brand spanking new, but we'll see. It's actually quite a nice car, sports version of it anyway. Now when it comes to prepping, you don't muck about. You don't use newspaper, you use this sheet. I mean, it's £3 from any hardware store, and literally you cover every single part of the car surrounding where you're going to spray, because let's face it, what you're using is paint, and when you put paint on paint, it's very, 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 very difficult to get off. So I've properly prepped it, cut holes around where I'm going to spray, and then I've obviously covered it again with masking tape, just to make sure that none of the paint goes through the other side. So we're going to spray both of these doors, spray this bit here, and then spray the bottom as well, because that's also plastic as well. Let's see how it comes out. And this is why you need to cover up pretty much most of the car, because to do it right and to get an even spray across the actual bit that you want to spray, you just spray across like this, spray, 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 and you can see a lot of it's overlapped across. And I'm going to show you this as well. So I've just done this bit here, but I've left this bit, and you can see the difference straight away. Much more black, much more sort of looking newish, and this sort of looking a bit faded. But obviously I'll show you some more. So this is what it looks like now. You can see it's all grey, all different colours, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So you see that's black there, and it's all grey and sappy and just really disgusting. And this is it all done. Obviously I've got to wait for it to dry, but yeah, looking so much better. And you can see why I've actually masked pretty much the whole car, and that's because I can get the right angle on the spray can and not get any drips, and I haven't got one drip on the whole car. Perfect. Just look at that, it looks brand spanking new. Like, unbelievable what a little bit of paint does. But the whole bumper and the whole back of the car just looks perfect. I'm well pleased with that. So this is what it looks like now to this. Now on to pulling out some of the dents. So this is actually an amazing tool. So what you do is you use this glue gun and you put glue on the bottom of this and then you stick it where the dent is, and then what you do is you put this on either side, wind it up, and it pulls the dent out, and it's perfect. It's one of the best tools you could use for the job. So let's see how it works. So you just wind it until you get a bit of tension, and you pull, you wind and wind and wind until it pulls the dent out. So with the glue gun, you put hot glue onto this and you find your dent, and then you try and pull it in the right place and let it settle for a bit. We do the same thing. And doesn't it look like brand new? Looks like it's just come out of the factory. It's amazing what a lick of paint can do. Those handles look amazing. And this back bumper, obviously there's a scratch there I can't sort out. This black bumper, like stripping the bumper, looks amazing. Like it's brand spanking new. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got another